Okay, we're going to review decomposing numbers and putting them into expanded form. So let me write the number 472,695. Okay, so this is our number in standard form. And I want to put this into expanded form. So a little trick is in your ones, so if I just have this number written down, the value of this ones is 5. I'm going to write the value of the number in green. The value of my 9 is not 9, but the value is 90. How many zeros do I have in 90? Just 1 0. So I put a 1 up here to help me remember that. Okay? In my hundreds, the digit I have is a 6. So the value of my 6 is going to be 600. How many zeros do we have in 600? 2 zeros. I'm going to put a 2 here to help me. This doesn't matter if this was a 3 and the value was 300, I would still have 2 zeros. This doesn't matter if the value was 4 and it was 40, I would still have 1 0. Okay, and then we have a 2 in our thousands place. So I'm going to write the number 2,000. And I have, how many zeros do we have in 2,000? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put a 3 up here. This doesn't matter if this was a 4, a 6, a 7, an 8. You would have 3 zeros if you had 4,000, 6,000, 8,000. So I'm going to put a 3. So your thousands has 3 zeros. Your hundreds has 2. Your tens has 1. Y'all seeing a pattern here? Your ones, we don't have any zeros in our after the digit in our ones place value. This is my 10,000. So I have 70,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 zeros. And then I have 4 in my 100,000. So I have 400,000. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so then if we just added all of these up, you have your expanded form. Okay, so let's practice again. Now remember, look at this pattern. We go 0. I'm not going to put a number there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you guess what would happen if we kept going in our place value chart? You would just keep adding another 0. So then it would be 6 and then 7 zeros. But we don't need to worry about that now. We're going to stop in the 100,000s in 3rd grade. So let's create another number. I'm going to do 321,874. Okay, so there's my number. And I want to put this in expanded form. How many? Well, let's do our little trick. We don't have any zeros here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So you can even write this. 1 0. 2 zeros. 3 zeros. This is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. This is going to have 5 zeros. So I write my number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I count back 3. 1, 2, 3, comma. So then you would just write this. I didn't do this one earlier because there's no zeros there. Equals 321,874. And that's how you do expanded form.